Some corn nuts.
Lani's on the boat.
Carl don't need no corn nuts.
Want some corn nuts?
Stop on you, Angie.
She can have one of his chips.
She wants a chip.
Silverback want one.
Want what?
Chip. Don't give it no none of them little kids no corn nuts. Monkey, can they have one of your chips?
She got scared.
The babies, don't give it
She
to
don't
them.
want to share her chip.
He ain't like that.
Oh, careful.
Oh, maybe he don't. No, I'm kidding.
Are you drinking, Marquise?
Only a Sprite, I hope.
Hey, not today.
Don't start. What you want, Lani?
I'm just sorry. Chip,
Hey, walk this way.
chip.
Say no, thank you.
All right, you want a chip?
No, you don't. Put your stuff on.
Come closer.
Shit, she ain't turning down nothing.
Yeah, that's right.
Look, Ty, look at the big boat. Look at the big ship.
Everybody
Look
want
at the
this
best
shit?
of them. Whatever.
Sure.
Wow.
Mommy's on the boat. Let mommy put your sock on so we can go to the window. Let me see.
And the area of water in right now is known as the Long Beach Delta Anchorage. Ports have anchorages because when they are constructed, they are not made with enough room at the dock for all the boats in the world. So ships come in, they anchor out here and they wait their turn in line for a spot at the dock. They can be here for a while, so they'll have smaller boats bring them food, water, or even other crew member, just so those crew members don't have to swim.
Mommy, you're on a boat. You see the boat? You see the big red boat?
Yeah.
You on the boat, Mommy? You on the boat? I'm live.
Oh.
I sure will. You It ain't no Christmas gift.
Yes, it is.
She got nervous with the boat service.
Mommy, you on the boat? Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. On the boat? If we go outside, it's gonna be cold. On the boat. Boop, boop, boop. Mommy, you on the boat? Wow. And there's our driver. Wow, Mommy, you're on the boat. You see the water? You see the water? Yes, you see the water, Mommy. Yes, you see the water.